My name is Robert, and I've been here 45 years, and I have a little issue with the steps with settlement. They started at level, and the settlement, so many years of living here, they started going in the ground settlement like that. And I had a friend that told me about Frontier, and they're good people. And I gave them a call, and they come out. He showed me what they was going to do and what they'd charge me. We talked about it and get it all worked out. And they come out and did a wonderful job. I am so pleased with them. I'd highly recommend them anywhere to anybody. Their price was good too. And that's the third company that I called. And I would have called them first if I'd known more about them. Before they did the work, it was horrible looking. My wife almost tripped with her time coming in the house. Well, it was at a 45 going in the ground. And afterwards, like it is right now, it's leveled up again, perfect. But now I'm gonna put handrails out on the front porch, which I couldn't do it before. The guy that did the work, and I think his name is Tony, he showed me what he was gonna do, and I said, how is that going to raise that up? He said, it's amazing. This product will raise that step up the level. And I said, that's unbelievable. And he showed me what they was going to do before he did it. But it's awesome. Everything they did come out perfect.